Almost all parts used in any assembly contain holes. There are many types of holes which can be produced in SolidWorks. There are several different ways to create holes using SolidWorks. Most holes are created using the Hole Wizard tool. We will create another detailed video about holes, but for purposes of introduction, holes will be created using the Circle and Extrude Cut tools. Hi, welcome to our channel, Design Engineers. Support us by clicking on subscribe button and bell icon. A circle will be created and then cut through the 3D shape. All holes will be simple through holes, they will go completely through the shape. The 3D shape is created. Click the View Orientation tool and select the Normal to option. This will create a view from an orientation point 90 degrees to the surface. This is called a normal view. But in this video, we will work on isometric view. Again, click the View Orientation icon, but this time select the small hexagonal surface to create an isometric orientation. Create a sketch plane on the front surface of the block. Then use the Circle tool and add two circles using the given dimensions. Click the Features tab, and the Extruded Cut tool. Set the cut depth. The Cut Extrude tool should automatically select the two circles. If it does not, click the circles. A preview should appear. Click the green OK check mark. Click the drawing screen. The holes should appear in the shape. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.